Here it is, the Gorilla Carts Fish and Marine Cart. Alright, let's put it together. Or better yet, let's call in a handyman, a handy stand, to put it together.
Well, it looks like we got this package in the mail today and Kara went ahead and brought it inside. She told me she was looking for a handy stand, so I guess I gotta put this thing together. So I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing and show you guys what this is. Alright, so here's your rod holders. These are gonna be on the side of the cart once we have it mounted. I imagine that's gonna be kind of later, so I'm just gonna set those aside. Yeah, so this cart, you can actually take off the rod holders and use it like a utility cart around the yard or, you know, whatever. Here's the bait tray. So this goes on the back of the cart. This is pretty neat. This is also removable. The whole thing folds down, so that's pretty cool. So it stores in a small area, I'm sure. We'll see. Alright, this looks like the tongue on the front. Alright. Here's your handle. It's pretty heavy duty handle there. All this is really heavy duty stuff. Feels really nice. Feels really strong. Like it'll hold up. We'll see. The wheels are huge. I didn't realize they were going to be this big. That's going to make it really easy going over the sand dunes. Alright, here's your main frame, I suppose, for the whole cart. This looks like the kickstand that'll go on the front as you set it down. Hardware. And then here's your main tub. Some more smaller parts in here. And probably axles for the wheels. And here's your hardware. And these look like some tie downs or something. I guess we'll see what these are. Alright, first impressions, what do you think?
Well, the cart's bigger than we expected it to be.
Yeah, I think it's like, I get the tape measure, let's see how long it is. After everything's kind of folded out. Hold that for me, sweetie. Just put it in. Yeah, it's almost 5 feet in length. With the rod holders, it's like almost 3 feet wide. 2.5 feet wide, really. And then standing up, it's 27 inches, so just a shade over 2 feet high. So it's kind of a little bit taller than most general fishing carts, and a little bit longer. But I think the thing that I like most about it is made out of aluminum, and there's stainless steel hardware on it. So I know it's going to hold up in our saltwater environment. As long as I take care of it and I wash it down real good after each use, we should get a lot of life out of it, I think.
Yeah, and everything appears to be very well made. The bait tray is really sturdy. And I really like that it's versatile, so you can take everything off. You can use it for projects around the yard. Or you can use it as a general beach cart without the attachments.
I do have a concern though, when we get down to the beach, because the wheels aren't rubber, they're actually made of plastic. I'm just kind of curious to see how they perform.
Well, let's see. Let's take it to the beach.
Alright, here we are. Loaded up at the beach. My main concern
concern were the wheels, but they handled just fine over the sand. Some soft sand to get out here, and no problem at all.
For those that might be wondering, it will fit in a small SUV. This is a 98 Ford Explorer, and I'm fairly certain it will even fit into the trunk of a car. You can fold the wheel and the support bar down.
Yeah, so overall very happy with this cart. I guess we'll see. I look forward to using this cart down at the beach or on the pier. One little application or one use I thought it would be really cool to mention is that this cart has 8 rod holders, and they're pretty heavy duty rod holders. And I know that a lot of people that fish down at the marinas and they keep their boats down at the marinas and they go offshore, they like to take like dock carts down, bring all the gear down to their boats, and normally have to hold their fishing rods. Well, this one I think is the best of both, because not only does it provide the very similar kind of cart that you would see at any marina, but you also have your rod holders on the side, so that's really cool. And I think that it's probably well worth the investment. If your rods have rod seats that, you know, on the butt of the rod have like a place for a rod seat, you can actually put some hardware in here for rod seats. Yeah, all those holes are already drilled. So that's it. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more content and you like these kind of videos, hit that subscribe button. That'll really help us out, help grow our channel. And thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you next time. The head on the hardware, you can either use a flathead or kind of a wide flathead, or the head on the hardware, you can use either a flop. You can use either a, delete all that.